The toughest challenges are reserved for the most powerful machines. Today, we are stepping into the world of forestry giants, massive, roaring beasts built to conquer any terrain and handle any type of wood. Get ready, grab your tea or coffee, share your thoughts, tell us where you're watching from, and connect with everyone.
Julieta! Puta merda! Desce! Meu Deus do céu, cara!
This is definitely not the kind of drift the driver was hoping for. When gravity, rough terrain, and a fully loaded logging truck collide, the result is one dramatic rollover. Luckily, the driver is safe, but maybe next time they should negotiate with Mother Nature before pulling off a stunt like this. Oh my, a touching friendship between the excavator and the tree. Hey tree, come here, let me give you a hug. Bam! Oh no, that hug was a little too strong. Who wants to receive a tight hug like this? Comment 1 if you don't. Ha ha ha.
Nossa Senhora.
Deep in the heart of the forest, this steel beast roars to life, hauling an entire woodland on its back. With a rock-solid chassis, unstoppable torque, and a suspension built for war, nothing stands in its way. Rough terrain, steep climbs, sharp turns, no problem. The seamless transmission keeps things smooth while the raw power does the talking. This isn't just a truck, it's the backbone of timber transport. Tough, relentless, and built for the long haul. Oh no, the John Deere 1110E, a giant machine, the conqueror of all terrains. But today the mud said, not so fast, buddy. Look at that, wheels spinning like crazy, smoke rising, but completely stuck. Can you feel the driver's tension? When nature strikes, even beasts must bow. Will it break free or be swallowed whole? Here it is, the brand new Carlton 7015 TRX, dressed in battleship gray, ready for action. And its first opponent, a rock-solid 3-foot oak stump. Will the razor wheel blades shred through it, or will this be a true test of power? Look at that, sawdust flying, engine roaring, and the stump slowly turning to dust. Wow, look at that Volvo timber truck stretching its 24-meter frame through the winding forest road. Every joint, every axle moves in perfect harmony, like a mechanical symphony. Volvo doesn't just build trucks, they create solutions for the toughest challenges. Who here would love to take it for a spin? Look at that. The LKT-80 is pulling a massive tree like it's just taking a casual stroll through the snowy mountains. No struggle, no strain, just pure power in motion. Think hauling timber is tough? Think again. Who's up for the challenge? Comment number 6. But remember, not everyone can handle this beast. The log truck is swallowed by the mud, wheels spinning, engine roaring. But don't worry. Don't worry, the hero has arrived. The excavator charges in like a savior, hooks up, pulls, and boom! The wooden beast is free. This isn't just brute strength, it's a perfectly choreographed dance between technology and toughness. Who here has ever been stuck deep like this before?
You'll hear how loud this thing is.
Two steel beasts, one unstoppable showdown. On one side, the B-14, tough and relentless. On the other, the Cat D7R2, a legendary powerhouse. Engines roar, dirt flies. Who will reign supreme? Place your bets now. Let's go. And here it is, the Homer Tree Service Chipper 5048, a true steel beast. With a jaw-dropping 1,150 horsepower, it devours tree trunks the size of telephone poles and spits out sawdust finer than flour. Look at that, one massive gulp, one brutal crush. No log stands a chance. With Moorbark's Advantage 3 drum, this monster isn't just powerful, it's as precise as a 5-star chef. Except instead of slicing steak, it's shredding entire forests. Who dares to challenge this beast? Drop a comment, but be warned, don't stand too close unless you want to become wood dust. What just happened? The Camox F1ME5 just hauled a massive 19.3 Yomi3 of timber up a steep slope like it was a warm-up exercise. This is the true superhero of the forest, powerful, relentless, and unfazed by any challenge. While other machines might be spinning their wheels in frustration, this beast simply powers through like it's nothing. What a performance. Trapped in mud and snow, the machine sits like a fallen warrior. But wait, do you hear that? A deep, thunderous roar, like a giant bear awakening. The TD-T55 charges in, tracks grinding, mud flying everywhere. One mighty pull, and boom, the rescue is complete. This isn't just raw power, it's sheer determination against nature's toughest challenges. Who's ready to take the wheel? This isn't just a bulldozer, it's a stump-crushing beast. The Case 1150E is tearing through those stubborn pine stumps like they're nothing but toothpicks. With the perfect mix of weight, traction, and torque, It plows through obstacles with unstoppable force. Just listen to that roar. Watch that blade dig in and see those roots give up without a fight. Absolutely thrilling. If there were a showdown between machines and Mother Nature, the Case 1150E would take the crown without breaking a sweat. Heart-pounding action. The LKT-80 is going head-to-head with nature, where every log and every stump is a real challenge. This beast isn't just pulling, it's battling rugged terrain like an unstoppable warrior. Mud, steep slopes, heavy timber. Nothing stands a chance against this monster. If you love raw power and high-intensity action, don't forget to hit that like button, because this is the true definition of heavy-duty work. The turbo saw is an absolute game changer. Watching it tear through thick brush and take down stubborn trees like slicing through butter. Unbelievable. Speed, unmatched. Safety, engineered to perfection. Durability, like a steel beast. This isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate weapon for anyone looking to conquer nature. MTZ, the legend that fears no mud, a powerful machine conquering all terrains, ready to take on any challenge. Even if all front axle bearings need to be replaced, there's no turning back, only moving forward. An absolutely impressive performance. The Palix Power 100S is an absolute firewood processing beast. A razor-sharp 1,000mm blade, a massive 16-ton thrust force, and smooth hydraulic control. This machine devours everything in its path. Big logs, small logs, hardwood, softwood, nothing stands a chance. Smart speed boost, insane. Stroke length optimization, lightning fast. This is the ultimate weapon for anyone looking to dominate the firewood game. This is the definition of built it yourself, survive yourself. Without the drive on the trailer, this Ural would have been swallowed whole by the mud. But nope, it just keeps pushing forward like an unstoppable beast from the east. Mud? Just seasoning. Rough roads? Just a challenge. When skill and determination come together, nothing is impossible. The Scania R660 XT, a true timber beast. Watching it load and unload logs looks like child's play. The V8 engine isn't just powerful, it's smooth, fuel efficient, and built to last on the toughest forestry roads. This is a machine born to conquer any challenge, no matter how heavy. This forestry tractor is a true mud warrior. Watching it haul massive logs through the deep, muddy trail is like seeing a giant snake slither effortlessly through a swamp. Smooth, powerful, and unstoppable. Sinking wheels? No problem. Huge, heavy logs? Just keep pulling. A 1948 Peterbilt with 600 horsepower? That's a steel warhorse roaring back from the past. That Jake brake sound gives you goosebumps. Pure mechanical symphony. Tim brought this legend back from the scrap heap, and now it's devouring the road, hauling logs like it's never aged a day. Overloaded and stuck, every trucker's worst nightmare. That timber-laden beast is trapped like a giant animal in quicksand, roaring for help. But fear not, a heavy-duty rescuer is on the way. A powerhouse tractor ready for action. Will it pull this monster free, or will it become the next victim? Stay tuned for this epic showdown. Guys, take a look at the beast, the Timber Pro 840 combo. This machine was built to devour forests with a razor-sharp topping saw and a massive 16-ton splitting force. It slices through hardwood like butter. A full 360-degree rotation? No problem. Rough terrain? Bring it on. Its automatic speed adjustment and optimized splitting length make processing faster, especially with smaller logs. With a rock-solid design and relentless durability, the Timber Pro 840 combo is an absolute monster in timber handling, ready to take on any forestry challenge. Did you see that? The beastly Mercedes 3836 just powered up that hill all on its own. No push from behind. That's some insane torque. The grip is like super glue and the raw power is pure Hulk mode. Driving this monster must feel like riding a battle rhino, unstoppable, unshakable, and built to dominate. Oh man, that was a legendary cutting fail. One miscalculation, and boom, there goes the fence. But hey, silver lining, now we've got the perfect material to fix it. Just split that log, put it back together, and make it even better than before. Who says woodworking doesn't require creativity? Haha. Raba H18. This is a true timber hauling beast. Massive, rugged, yet it climbs steep slopes like a hunting cheetah. Rough terrain, no problem. Mud, steep inclines, it eats them for breakfast. This machine was born to conquer the toughest logging roads out there. Oh no, the tiger cat's saw is stuck deep in the mud. After veering too far into the ditch, the shear is buried in the mud and water. But don't worry, the Caterpillar D6N dozer and Deere excavator came to the rescue just in time. Will they manage to pull the shear out of this dangerous swamp? Stay tuned to find out. These giant machines are rolling across the legendary Usina Camaragibe Bridge. This isn't just a bridge, it's a test of every driver's courage. Every wheel that crosses is a battle against gravity, a perfect balancing act between steel and wood. But hey, have you ever wondered how long this bridge has stood strong? How many storms, how many heavy loads have passed over it, yet it still stands tall? This is not just a bridge, this is a legend. Oh my, that stump didn't just come out. It launched like a rocket, a blast so powerful it nearly reached orbit. Who would have thought this pulling system could turn a tree stump into a supersonic projectile? Remember, this is no joke. One moment of carelessness, and it's soup for life. Who's up for trying this stump removal method? But hey, stay out of the flight path. The power and precision of these massive trucks keep me glued to the screen. Every Saturday on the Great Northern Highway, Super Saturday officially kicks off, the only time when these enormous loads are allowed to move. The trucks follow one after another, transporting the massive parts of mining machines, from giant dump buckets to the massive chassis, and even the wheels weighing hundreds of tons. Each journey is an unimaginable challenge for the drivers and the technical teams. Look at that, folks. The Timber Pro TF840D, the ultimate forestry machine. 360-degree rotation. You got it. A 338 horsepower Cummins engine. More than enough. Loading logs, swinging the boom, climbing slopes. Everything moves as smoothly as a mechanical dance. And when it comes to performance, this isn't just a forwarder. It's a wood-eating beast, hauling like a war machine in the forest. Optimized fuel efficiency, minimal maintenance, but absolutely unmatched power. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this topic, leave a comment below so we can bring you even more exciting content. See you later.